or bridge block has been installed, clear indication of repair, repaired after the surrender with the help of 200 American POWs. We don't have evidence they were able to fire Morrison. The Americans used this repair, they targeted the gun as well. The crater was in 1945 retaking 1,000-pound American bomb made an almost direct hit. From crater fragments ricocheted with the damages by the barrel. Now, veterans told me then certain bombs were mixed with a chemical, thermite or white phosphorus. White hot molten shrapnels melting their way deeper into the steel barrel. Military doctors say that stuff, it burns underwater and goes right through the bone. You got struck by white phosphorus, they inject you with morphine and amputate. And the tunnel was the ammunition room. Here's the Banzai propaganda picture at Battery Heard.
One time an American went to the top of the gun and shouted, "George Bush." Let's have 8 minutes.
Can you go in your phone?
Yes. You can crawl down the crater.
We're going to the tunnel.
Yeah, this way maybe love.
Huh?
I'll get it.
We're going to visit the big tunnel here in Corridor Allied. The biggest canyon.
Pretty remarkable. Nearly a direct hit. Yeah. That's it. Right with that. Boom. Right with that. Finish.
See that? Here. The biggest canyon in the Philippines.
It's high at 27 kilometers.
27 kilometers. What year is that canyon, Manong?
1922.
From 1922. Very many years ago.
Ilang kilometers, sir? 27 kilometers.
It's going to take 3 hours to
Yes, make a full turn. Well, the good thing is they only have to focus this way.